See my friends, once it's burn it, you have to peel like this. You see this? It's yummy. Namaste. Khoplai Sibun Baro. Welcome back to my channel once again here deep in the forest. Today I have something very special. See, this is a bamboo shoot again. I got it from Mizoram. So I'm going to cook this bamboo shoot in Rongmai style, in Naga style. So the process will be a bit lengthy because I'm not going to peel this straight away. I'm going to burn this on top of the fire with the skin, and then later I will show you the process how it is being cooked. So let's start the burning of the bamboo shoot in Rongmai style. Chalo, it's done now. Burn like this, the fire. So let me make the fire stronger so that it will be burned properly. See this, my friends. So let's start burning bamboo shoot and cooking it. So let me add some more firewood. Ingredients I'll be adding to this. So let me show you the dry fish. Let me burn it a little bit, clean it up, wash it, and local pumpkin. So the burnt bamboo shoot, local pumpkin, and the bombil, the dry fish, is the main recipe for today. So let's start. Slice into small, so that easy for peeling. The pumpkin is peeled. So let me complete this process. Chalo. Garlic, ginger, my friends, once it's burn it, you have to peel like this. You see this? This is 80% cooked. So let's start peeling the burnt bamboo shoot. I have to wash this again. Now become like this. Chalo. To make it upside down, and some which is in the this is done. Some more of this. One is hiding below. It will be over. Burn. This one. The dry fish part is done. Now this also is done. Two ready. The upper part. Some more. Just put it from the top. Almost done, my friends. Done. One more. The heat. I'll chop my microphone cable. Yeah. Too hot. Now we'll chop this, okay? This. Okay. And two, like this. Yahoo! Ready to cook, not to eat. It's not ready to eat. It's ready to cook with pumpkin. So let's get started the final process of local bamboo shoots, burn bamboo shoots, the dry fish tungumlu, batka, patao, naga, and the dry fish, and the pumpkin also is ready. So now I'm going to add tomato, just like this, and we'll cover it for some time. Cover it for some time. So now I'll add the dry fish. Okay. Now we'll have to wait for some time again. Here I'm not going to add any haldi. It will be in plain way of cooking, because bamboo shoot haldi then sometimes doesn't go along. So this way, now let the tomato cook for some time. Let's start adding the bamboo shoots. There. Sometime 70 to 80% cook. I just have to stir it for some time before we add water. So after this, pumpkin also will come. See this. Okay. Now time has come to add some salt and chili, and one more ingredients to be added. So I think that's okay. Chili, to enhance the taste, I'm adding this brand too, just a little bit. We'll cut it. Now the pumpkin also has smashed into pieces, so that the flavor will go inside the bamboo shoots. Perfect. This is my curry. Hey, let's have lunch once again here in the forest. Oh, still hot. So this is my bamboo shoot, pumpkin and dry fish curry. Here, my friends. Hey, it's going to be yummy. So my friends, let's start the forest feast once again here, alone deep in the forest. No oil, no masala, cook in a very simple way, but it will be very, very tasty. So let's start. The curry, a little bit on top of the rice. Okay, it's good enough. First months. Very good and hungry now. Liang thun rau na tu sedan na. Idea tu lo mai kazan tu salah ke. Cũng đã xuống cho là idea thì lâu mà tôi thoáng cú hắc đi tôi ai đời just call rang to yeah wow yummy, perfect. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Thank you everyone for watching. Koblai sibun baro. Time to drink wine to reduce the heat of the saman kan beb. Thongku thêm pain ta jalo mugai ta. Dhanyawad sabko. Koblai sibun baro. Stay blessed. God bless you all.